class. Today I am going to tell you about adverb. Adverb. And what's a adverb? An adverb is a word. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes what he modifies or describe. Adverb is a word modify or describe verb, action or state. Verb, adverb modify or describe verb, action or state. Adjective qualities are characteristics. Other adverbs. What's the other adverbs? Manner, time, place, frequency or degree. So adverb modifies or describe what verb is doing. What verb is doing, what action is playing, where action is playing. Adverb tells the adjective qualities or characteristics. Adjective qualities or characteristics. Adverb modifies or describe other adverbs. Other adverbs mean manners, time, place, frequency or degree. Now I am going to tell you in detail what's the adverb. Now I am going to tell you how adverb modify verb, adjective, adverb. How adverb modify verb, adjective, adverb. Now here I am going to write example how adverb modify verb. How adverb modify verb. She writes slowly. She writes slowly. So here writes is called verb. Slowly is called adverb. So here adverb describe verbs. What's the action is gonna perform? She writes. She writes. Writes is action. So how she writes? She writes slowly. So slowly is called adverb. Slowly is called adverb. If I will say they play, they play if I will say she sings beautifully. Beautifully. So here sings is called verb, beautifully is called adverb. So here adverb modify verb. Okay, adverbs here describes actions. So she sings beautifully. So she sings is called verb and beautifully is called adverb. So here adverbs modify verb. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about how adverb modify adjective. Adverb modify adjective. Okay, if I will say this car is very fast. This car is very fast. So here is called verb, very is called adverb, fast is called adjective. Fast is called adjective. This car is very fast. Okay, now many more example. If I will say she runs very slow. She runs very slow. So very is called adverb and slow is called adjective. So here adverbs modify adjectives. Adverb modify adjectives. Now I am going to tell you how adverb modify adverb, adverb, modify adverb. If I will say she writes very, she writes very, she writes very carefully. So here adverb, modify adverb. She writes verb, very adverb, and carefully is also adverb. Carefully is also adverb. Carefully is also adverb. Okay, so here adverb modify adverb. Here adverb modify adjective. So here adverb modify adverb modify verb. Adverb modify verb. Okay, adverb modify verb. In this slide, I am going to tell you about in detail how adverb modify verb. If I will say she writes slowly, as I did tell you in pre-slide, she writes slowly is called here adverb modify verb. Okay, she writes. So she writes. You will ask questions. How she writes, how she writes, when, how. When we ask question, how, when, where. So it's a she writes. How she writes? She writes slowly. Okay. If I will say she sings beautifully, beautifully. She sings beautifully. So here, sings is called verb, and beautifully is called adverb. Sing is called verb. Beautifully is called adverb. Sing is called verb. Beautifully is called adverb. Okay. If I will say she runs fastly. Runs is verb. Fastly is called adverb. Fastly is called adverb. She runs fastly. So here adverb modify verb. Adverb modify adverb. Okay. I hope you understand. So how the adverb modify verb. Now I am going to tell you about how adverb modify adjective. If I will say she is very beautiful. She is very beautiful. So she is called verb. Very is called adverb. Beautiful is called adjective. Beautiful is called adjective. So here adverb modify adjective. She is very beautiful. Very is adverb, and beautiful is called adjective. Now I'm going to tell you she runs very fast. She runs very fast. So here runs is called verb, very is called adverb, fast is called adjective. Fast is called adjective. Okay, I hope you understand what's the adverb modify verb and adverb modify adjective. Now I'm going to tell you how adverb modify adverb. If I will say how, now I'm going to tell you how adverb modify adverb. Now I'm going to write she writes very carefully. Carefully. She sings very beautifully. Here you need to understand writes is verb, very is adverb. Here adverb modify adverb. adverb modify adverb. Sing is verb. Very is adverb. Beautifully is called adverb. Here adverb modify adverb. Adverb modify adverb. Now I hope you understand what's the adverbs definitions, how adverb modify verb, how adverb modify adjective, how adverb modify adverb. So in my next video, inshallah, I will tell you many more uses and many more types of adverb. Okay, in this video we did cover fully what's the how adverb modify verb, adverb and adjectives. Okay, so stay blessed and keep in touch with me. So stay blessed.